Fresh evidence reveals at least 10 people killed during Lekki tollgate shooting. The witness also said she saw a soldier throwing a body into one of the army vans. A woman who appeared before the Lagos panel investigating police abuses has said she believed that at least 10 people were killed at the Lekki tollgate last October during the EndSARS protest against police brutality. Sarah Ibrahim, a protester who said she witnessed the shooting by soldiers at the Lekki tollgate, testifying before the panel on Saturday. She said at least 10 persons were killed during the October 20 incidents. Premium Times reported the shooting at the Lekki tollgate despite the initial denial by the army. Hospitals in the area also confirmed treating victims with gunshot wounds following the incident. The exact numbers of casualties from the incident has, however, yet to be verified. Ms. Ibrahim, who said she was a volunteer at the protest, said among those shot was an elderly man who came from Ikorodu. She also said she saw a soldier throwing a body into one of the army vans. The witness, who came with several videos and pictures as evidence to buttress her claim, explained that the Lekki tollgate was chosen as a protest ground because of the CCTV coverage and uninterrupted power supply. She said the Lekki Concession Company, LCC, allegedly acting on an instruction, deliberately removed the CCTV camera and switched off the light, including the billboard light in the area. The LCC had testified before the panel, saying it did nothing wrong and had no intention to sabotage the protest. The judge admitted the 95 pieces of evidence presented by Ms. Ibrahim and marked them Exhibit A. Ms. Ibrahim said the protesters had 3 drones in the area during the demonstration, which revealed that there were 2 cameras at the Sandfield area that the soldiers emerged from. There were also 2 cameras, one facing the LCC office and the other facing the tollgate, before they were all removed by the uniformed staff of the LCC before the shooting began, she said. She had earlier explained that her friends, a member of APC or Progressive Congress in the Lagos House of Assembly, had called called to warn her to stay off the protest ground on October 20. She quoted her friends as saying that what they are planning at the tollgate today, my heart cannot take it. She noted that the Nigerian army officers started shooting from the Sandfield area before they got to the Lekki tollgate. I saw people running towards the stage truck. I didn't know what was happening, and I told the persons with the mic that they are coming. I never imagined the Nigerian army would shoot that way at people. While the gunshot was happening, more people came from the shanties and they started singing the national anthem and waving the Nigeria flag. During the early days of the panel, the army had insisted their officers only shot in the air at the tollgate, but they have since boycotted the hearing, refusing to obey a summon issued to them. The witness also alleged that a man in a white attire, identified by some residents in the in the shanties at the DPO of Morocco police station shot one of the protesters at close range. Yes, that is what we are talking about. Nigeria did not want anything good. They always do bias and cover matters. If they see that what the resident or the citizens of the country is doing is going to expose them, they will try every possible means to stop on time. Now, the people are protesting at the toll gate. I believe they are doing something that will bring peace to the area, titled End SARS. But why would an army begin to shoot at them? Do you know the havoc that this SARS has committed in this country? The End SARS is just like another Boko Haram that has entered the Nigerian. So people need to protest to save their lives and the life of their loved ones. The army, they want to tell me they did not know that such a thing exists. So I do not know why group of people always support what is bad. So that is what is dragging the Nigeria backward. Especially they support what is bad, what is evil. And you know that any people, any group of people, any nation that has already indulged herself in evil doing can never prosper. The reason why Nigeria did not prosper for the last 6 to 7 years is because Nigeria has indulged herself in evil acts, especially the matter of shedding blood. Do not know that any ground that blood flow every day is very hard to develop. That's why you see it in the last 6 years, Nigeria instead of Nigeria to develop, will continue to go backward. So I would like to say here that even the blood of the people wasted during the End SARS and every other activities are crying for vengeance, and God will avenge for the blood of those people.